Welcome back to Connecting the Dots, a series of monthly conversations with Michael Dominguez, President and CEO of Associated Luxury Hotels International. The series examines issues in the global economy in 2026 that will connect the dots to be helpful not only in business, but in life as well.
Hi, my name is Michael Dominguez, and I'm the President and CEO of Associated Luxury Hotels, better known as ALHI. We wanted to take a minute and talk about literally what is going on in Q2 and what is going on in our industry. Connecting the Dots, and thank you for joining us, is an episode that we put together trying to take and make sense of all this information that we have out there so that you can do something with it in your personal or professional lives. Well, what I wanted to talk about Q2, we have the nuance of FIFA that is going to be impacting North America and specifically the United States. And when you look at those destinations where these games will be played and where we will have fan bases, we will have compression, we'll have some pricing power. You're going to have a little bit of disruption in those markets from a group market for one reason or another. A couple of things that I would highlight around FIFA and the compression we're experiencing is first to remember we actually have a lot of large meeting space that is either out of order, out of commission, or being renovated and has a little bit of disruption around the United States. Primarily would mention Austin and Dallas. Dallas will be doing some things around FIFA, but please know that their convention center is already starting their work as far as an expansion and what that looks like. But what does that mean? It just means that in a time of compression, we have more meeting space that is being taken off the table at this point in time. The positive is it will come back on the table with more space and will be more modern and what I would say fresher opportunities for many of us. So all of that is a positive long term, but in the short term is going to keep a lot of compression going through 2026. The one thing I wanted to emphasize for the planners, there could be short-term opportunities in these destinations around FIFA, specifically for meetings that are going to be looked at in the year for the year. So please don't write off those destinations. Please reach out to your hotels, reach out to your ALHI GSO so that we can take a look at it to see what options might actually apply. We're going to all learn as an industry and as a hotel industry together as we go through FIFA because it's been decades since it's been here. And this is something for us to learn and understand. And there will be gaps as teams lose, as certain alignments continue after the first draw. It's something to pay attention to and no, it doesn't mean it's off the table. It's just going to be a little bit of a learning lesson for all of us involved. So this is a year more than ever for us to communicate, make sure that we are asking the right questions and learn together as we try to figure out each other's needs as we get through 2026. I'm excited about 2026 overall. I'm excited about FIFA Cup. And I'm excited to learn what we're going to learn after experiencing a FIFA Cup here in the United States. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Connecting the Dots.